Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, solid-state drive, and battery. Removal. Disconnect the left front speaker cable from its connector on the system board and remove it from the routing tab on the system board. Remove the two 3.5mm and one 2mm P0 Phillips head screws that secure the left front speaker to the top cover. Lift the left front speaker off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Replacement. Place the left front speaker onto the alignment pins on the top cover. Replace the one 2mm and two 3.5mm P0 Phillips head screws that secure the left front speaker to the top cover. Connect the left front speaker cable into its connector on the system board and route it under the routing tab.